Thailand is a fantastic place for expatriates, and there is no doubt about that. It's a very expat-friendly place. In general, I've noticed Thailand. It's a very Bangkok in specific is a very user-friendly city. You can find your way around. Everything is very accessible. The cost of living is not crazy. And expats usually have a slightly better income when they come here. If you're leaving a particular country and going to another place, you usually come on a higher income as an expat. So, and the cost of living here is pretty okay. Unlike India, the cost of living increases every year, like by at least 10 to 12% if you've rented a place or something like that. Out here, it kind of stays stable, and so I've noticed that. So that is one thing for an expat. So you end up saving a lot of money as an expat here,
Okay.
Of course, a lot depends on your lifestyle as well. But if you're a little okay, I think you end up saving a decent amount of money as well.
How about the organization? Like, why do they have to have an expat, like going around the world?
See, an expat always, I feel, comes with a certain set of skills that they may not get locally. That's the idea behind having an expat. Why would a company pay so much money unless that expat is coming and adding some value, So an expat definitely has a certain set of skills. If you take me, for example, my set of skills was I was hired to deal with a specific group of people. I was hired to deal with specific markets. Indians, of course, would relate to me because I'm Indian myself. Malaysia also is a country which is very similar in that regard, and of course Middle East. So my job was to sell these Marriotts.
So you did not sell to Thai people?
I do sell. I deal with the local Thai people who are dealing with markets there as well. But I deal directly with those Thai, Malaysia, Middle East and India as well. And I deal with the local people who are working with them. So that's why I said earlier, knowing the language is going to really help me for the future also. Because at the end of the day, I have to deal with Thais as well, So at a professional level. So yes, how it benefits the organization? Of course, there is a certain value attached to it. Probably a local Thai would not be able to deal so easily with an Indian, or something on those lines, So that's about it, I guess, from my perspective.
So your organization sent you here because they believe there are a lot of Indian in Thailand. Is this correct?
They believe there's a lot of potential of Indians, not Indians in Thailand, a lot of potential for Indians, Malaysians and Middle Easterns to come to Thailand, from a tourism perspective. So my job is to get these people from these countries to come into Thailand. So I travel a lot to Malaysia, I travel to India quite often, just to do these meetings and get them to come to Thailand and stay at the Marriotts, Yeah.
Okay.